Hi guys, welcome back, and today I made slime in the world. Stretchiest slime in the world. You know what I used, guys? I used Tide, glue, Dawn, and shaving cream. You see that right there? And I made a lot, so I'm gonna show you guys which one do you like best. So I'm gonna show you guys all the slime. I made fluffy slime and every type of slime. So let's get on the video. So guys, the first one I made was this one, and it's mostly I call this one happy, like it's super cool, guys. But sometimes it's like crunchy and like. Okay, so and this one has like this bluish glitter. Okay, and the next one I made was this one. Like this one, it was so fucking stretchy. Like, oh my gosh, guys. Like it's super stretchy and okay, so we made that one. All of them put them in the zip. Okay, I can't even speak in today. Why I can't speak today? Ziploc. Okay, so the next one I made was this one. This one like has like this silver glitter, like it's super cool. Oh my gosh, it's super sticky. Like, I'm not pretty sure this one is ready to get out of the. I think this one too is like. Oh my god, this is still a bit sticky, but it doesn't matter. Okay, guys, so. Okay, guys, so this is way lighter than this one, because this one I put it in like I put more Tide, and this one I put like more Dawn. Like, you know what I mean? And this one is just so stretchy too, guys. Like it's super stretchy. Like all of them that I'm showing you guys, I made today. Okay, so this one it's still not ready. You know what I mean? Like it's like I don't know. And I'm basically selling them. Like it's super cool and. Like, but it's super cool. I like the silver glitter. Can you see that? Whoa. Okay, so let's put it on a Ziploc. On his Ziploc. Like, it's sticking to my hand now. Okay, good. Okay. Basically, on all of them, I put Ziploc. Okay, and the last one, but not least. Wait, where are the other ones? Wait, what the Wait, guys. I'm missing some. Oh, wait. I'm missing. Wait, guys. Okay, because I made tray. Okay, so. Wait, where were we? Okay, I think we were on the. Okay, so now we're gonna show that. Wait, the server one. So now we just need 3 more. Yeah. Okay. So now this one is like it's like this like I don't know, guys. This is like. Okay, this is not ready either, because it's sticking to my hands so much. I think I need to add some more Tide. And this one is super stretchy too, guys. Whoa. You know, guys, I'm going to the Bayside, and I'm like, let me show my YouTubers. You know. Right. Oh, guys, I have to tell you something. I want this video to get 3 or more likes, like 3 likes, not 300. Because I don't have that much followers, and I want people to see this. Cause like, if I don't get 3 or more likes on this video, I'ma quit being a YouTuber. Cause like nobody's like, you know what I mean. And I'm pretty sure I'm talking to myself, cause like nobody watches my video. Like, I don't know. Okay, so I love, guys. I don't know if you guys could see the glitter, but like, it's super cool. Don't you see it, guys? Wait. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this one does not want to get out of my hands. Okay. So now we're going with this one. This one? Wait, not this one. This one. This one's a lot. Okay, so this one is a green glitter. This one is totally ready. This one is like with green glitter. Like, guys, this is super cool. Okay, guys, so yeah, it's super cool. Like this one is like the other one that's breakable. Like, it's not stretchy like this one. Like it's not stretchy. It's like breakable. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on the next one. Okay, this one, I'm obsessed with this one. I'm in love with this one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell this one, but like this one, I made it in super stretchy. And the same time, it's a bit breakable. And it's very crunchy. I just love the slime. I love the texture. It's like the hair for Rapunzel. Except that this is blue. Okay, so now I have to tell you something, guys. This slime is getting a bit breakable. Wait, let me see something, guys. Wait, guys, let me see something. Like, okay, I'm pretty sure if you guys leave it outside, it will like get breakable. You know what I mean, guys? I like stretchy ones. And I'm gonna take my slime at baseline. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video big thumbs up and subscribe. Which one did you like? And tell me if yours, when you like get it out with this container, if it gets like breakable, like mine's right now. Mine's just super stretchy. Like mine's is getting a bit breakable. You know what I mean, guys? See, it's getting breakable, and I don't like that. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you the ingredients I use to make the slime. So I use this glue since I could have found in the Dollar Tree some Elmer's glue, and I use this Tide yellow container Tide. This Dawn, I didn't use that much, and shaving cream. So first I pour some glue, then I poured some Tide and started mixing. Then I poured some Dawn, and then after I poured some shaving cream. Then I just started adding like this, and it got breakable. And then when you mix it with your hands, it'll get a bit sticky, and then it worked. I'm gonna come right back. Wait, sorry guys, my bad. My mom is calling me. And guys, if you like this, and if you're at work and you mixed it a lot, like me, you will get this slime. And yeah, on my other video, I'm gonna show you mixing all these slime I showed you guys. Okay, now it's a bit working. I don't know, whatever. The thing I like about this one is it makes noises. All of them make noises. It smells like Tide and shaving cream. Oh, it's not getting. When you play with it, it's not going to get. It's not going to get breakable. I think. I don't know. Okay, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe me if you want my brother to come to do a video with me, because he was the one that made this one, like, right now. And yeah, so I love you all, and subscribe to Miranda Sings, and subscribe to what's that YouTuber name? Asha, whatever. Asha. I forgot that. Asha. Okay, guys. So, bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and